Investmate app pricing explained what you get for your money. Investmate is an educational investment app designed to help beginners and intermediate investors improve their financial knowledge. Many people think investing apps are only for trading, but Investmate focuses on learning first. The app is free to download, offering basic courses, quizzes, and financial calculators. For more advanced features, Investmate offers a premium subscription at $99 per month or $99 annually. Premium unlocks full course content, personalized learning paths, and progress tracking. Most people get this wrong by assuming financial education apps are either too basic or overly expensive. Investmate strikes a balance by providing structured lessons on stocks, its options, and even cryptocurrency investing, all in bite-sized, interactive modules. For example, a beginner can learn about risk management in just a few minutes per day, while tracking quiz performance to measure improvement. The surprising truth is that Investmate makes learning investing engaging. By gamifying the learning experience with quizzes and rewards, it encourages consistent education, which is essential before committing real money in the markets. In conclusion, Investmate pricing is affordable and educationally valuable. The free version gives a solid foundation, while the premium subscription unlocks the full suite of courses and tools. For anyone serious about improving investment knowledge, Investmate offers a clear, structured path at a reasonable cost.